Welcome to the introduction of customer journeys, the best way to automate your workflow within Stannp. Let's start by creating one. Firstly, let's give the journey a name and a small description. Next, I'm going to select the joined group event to start us off. There will be other options in due time. For now, the joined group event means that whenever a recipient joins my mailing list, it will embark on the journey we're about to create. For this example, I've selected my customer database as my mailing list. For the first step in my journey, I want to send them a letter. Click and drag this one. To configure this step, I have to pick up what template I want to use, if it should be duplex or simplex, or if I would like to upgrade it to first class. Next up, I want to add a wait. Give it time for my letter to reach my recipient, let's say a week. After that, I want to split my recipients into two groups. I can do this via the if-else split step. I'll set this to city and make sure only recipients with the City of London go into Route 1. The rest will go to Route 2. We found that our London recipients really like postcards, so we'll have Route 1 send a postcard. Just like before, I've selected my preferred template for this step and upgraded it to first class. Whereas everywhere else seems to prefer a letter, I'll use my alternative newsletter in this case. Now that I'm happy with my journey, it's time to hit review. I've already uploaded a few recipients to this group, so I'm going to set the start time to a month ago. Let's test our journey with emulation before we set it live. You can see that our recipients have joined the first step. If I let a minute go by, those recipients will go through send a letter and that action will be performed. The next step is waiting, and you'll notice even after a few hours after being clicked that they'll stay at this step. Let's move a few days forward to get past this. After this, you can see that some of my recipients went to Route 1 and the others went to Route 2. Clicking on each rest stop, I can see which recipients are waiting at this point. This way I can see who is at what stage in the pipeline. It seems like everything is working great, so let's hit Go Live. Now the journey is running anytime I add any further recipients to this group, and they'll travel down this journey. Try our new Journeys feature out for yourself.